What is up? So today I'm heading to Cambridge to this hidden gem that specializes in Thai dishes. Mae Asian Eatery is a modern day mom and pop restaurant run by a husband and wife, where the wife chefs it up in the back and the husband runs the front, and together they make you feel welcome and create some delicious dishes. So today I'm going to be trying 3 different items. The short rib Khao Soi, it's a 12-hour braised short rib in a coconut curry sauce. Calamari that's tossed in a wok with Thai chili oil and jalapenos, and also a New York sirloin that's in Thai chili and spices. Short rib Khao Soi. So here's the short rib. Looks like there's a noodle with a sauce. Smells like a spicy curry with coconut milk, maybe. So let me see. Check it out. So the noodle is soaked in like coconut milk curry or something. It's really good. Smooth. Maybe I should try the short rib, but look at all this. Check it out. So this is the short rib right here. Look like they took their time cooking it, because it pulls apart like pulled pork, nice and tender. So check it out. So this actually has more veggies in it. Look like it's cabbage, broccoli. Really good. Thanks to my friend Mary for suggesting it. Check it out. Look at this pole. Calamari, check it out. Let me just get off of this. Check it out. So it is tossed wok style, has hot oils, jalapenos, a whole bunch of stuff. It's my friend Mary's favorite. There's a spicy mayo right here on the side. So let me just actually. So look at this calamari. It's lightly toasted calamari. Carry with olive. Pretty good. Got that nice Chinese style kind of skin to it, like the salt and pepper pork that you usually get at a Chinese restaurant. Pretty good. Back up and show you. Check it out. Lightly breaded wok style. Try this mayo. Done. Spicy mayo is pretty thick, but I think it's better just by itself. Check it out. Has like hot oils and everything. It's pretty good. I can see why Mary likes it. So this is their Waterfall. Look at this. Look at all the seasonings on it. It's a New York steak. What is it? Look, New York steak strip, Thai peppers, a whole bunch of stuff served with a cute little sticky rice. So the flavor is kind of undescribable. It's pretty good though. It has like a nice kind of or a dressing kind of coating to it. Really good though. You can see why Mary likes it. It's refreshing. Reminds me of some Vietnamese dishes where they use a lot of these veggies and stuff like that. Let me eat it with the sticky rice. Sticky rice. Ooh, that's hot. Get a little bit of everything up in here. Ooh, check it out. So get a little bit of everything. Oops, dropping stuff like I normally do. Pretty good. Check it out. This is a dish that you probably gotta come and try for yourself. What else is in there? To get back to the short rib. So the short rib has coconut curry. Like you said, I think this is my favorite so far, but the calamari is good too. The other dishes they suggested was pretty good too, but the coconut curry has a light spice level to it. I mean, even that could be too much for some people, but it's really rich flavor. Look at this chunk over here. Oop, let me back up and show you. Look at this chunk of short rib. Oop, so I just finished. So all the dishes that Mary and the restaurant owners suggested was pretty good, but so this was my favorite because of the coconut curry has a lot of flavor. The short rib was nice, tender, like it just fell off the bone. And then this right here, the calamari is probably one of the best ones I ever had because it's like wok style, so it has that same fried texture as the salt and pepper pork and the calamari at a Chinese restaurant, but they also coat it in chili oil, so it has a lot of flavor. And this was also good and refreshing. Definitely try it. I can see why Mary likes it. So come here to Mae Asian Eatery in Cambridge if you're looking for good Thai food. Whew, sweating over here. Man, thank me later.